In this video, we will learn about how to sort the data. To sort any data, we need to go in the data ribbon. Click here. You will find this group sort and filter. We can use both the option. Either we can sort our data from ascending to descending or descending to ascending depending on our requirement. So let us suppose we wanted to sort just one column like brand. So I will keep my mouse, the cursor here, selection, then will sort A to Z, means lowest to highest. So as it is an alphabet, it has started to sort from C. You can see the Canon, then Casio, then Fuji, then Nikon, and so on. In the same way, we can use descending to ascending. So let's suppose we have put some numerical value here and just do descending to ascending. Here we say that this number is higher and this number is lower, and so on to the lowest number, 6. Now these were the examples when we sort data for a single criteria. Now let's suppose if I have to sort data with multiple criteria. So how I can sort that data? To sort that, we can use this option. Just click here. You will get a box like this. Here it asks to sort data. This is just one condition here. Then add the second option, like, so first is the sort by brand name, then by, let us example, megapixel, or you can take the quantity also. You can add one more criteria, but let's do it first with the two sort option. So as you remember that here the sorting was from Z to A, means the highest to lowest, and in the quantity we have given our option from smallest to highest. So now check the data if it got sort in a correct way or not. So this is the Sony, this is the last name Sony, then Samsung, then R, then P, like that. In the Sony we can see that these were the smallest value, then higher, then more higher value. Same as we can see in the Nikon. The values are from lowest to highest. So these were the condition when we could use multiple criteria to sort our data.